Do you know a picky eater? Maybe it's you. Meet Ellie. She did not like vegetables. Not broccoli, not peas, not anything green. All she wanted were noodles, fries, and cheese puffs. One night, after pushing her carrots away, something magical happened. 5 tiny, colorful creatures appeared on her pillow. "We're your taste buds," they whispered, "and we're bored." Before she could even blink, they whisked her away to the land of flavors. There were rivers of soup and mountains of fruit. "Try something new," a little green taste bud urged. Hesitantly, Ellie took a bite of a glowing carrot. Crunch! Her eyes widened. "It's sweet?" The taste buds cheered. When Ellie woke up, she saw her breakfast differently. She realized trying new foods is a delicious adventure. You might not love everything, but every food deserves a chance. What new food will you try today? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.